How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to service your carburetor on your chainsaw. So the issue that I'm having is that the chainsaw will not start no matter what I do. So what I'm going to do now is start the chainsaw and let you see exactly what it's doing. What I'm going to do now is just try and start the chainsaw. So I'll start by switching it on, pulling out the choke slightly and pressing the decompression button on the cylinder head. Yeah, so as you can see there, the chainsaw doesn't start no matter what I do. So I'll just remove the air filter, just make sure everything's clean. Yeah, so pretty much I'll spray some of the carburetor cleaner down into the throat of the carburetor. I'll make sure that the choke plate is open, normal position. And then give everything a good clean. And what I'll do once I get it started is there's a carburetor vent valve here on the side. Once I get it running, I'll spray some of the carburetor cleaner into this vent valve just to clean everything off. Okay, now I'll just refit the filter. Like so. So the vent is actually here. So what I'll do once I get this started is I'll spray the carb cleaner down through this vent. Now if I can't get this started, what I might have to do is pour a little bit of petrol down the carburetor itself. It's not too cold today, so I won't use a lot of the choke. I'll just use it a little bit, pull out slightly. Okay, let's go. Let's see if we can get this started. Ignition on. Choke out a little bit. Okay. Yeah, you really do have to be patient and persevere with this. All it takes is to just keep trying to start it and keep filling up the carburetor and the vent valve with the carburetor cleaner. And once I got the chainsaw running, it was just a case of putting on the full throttle and feeding the carb cleaner down the throat of the carburetor and into the vent valve. And what I'm doing now is I'm just checking the chain brake. And as you can see, the chain actually seems to be jammed. Right, so pretty much this chain doesn't seem to be moving, so I'm going to have to open it up and have a look. Now at this point I should have realised what was wrong with it. So it seems to be that these do require quite a bit of maintenance. obviously because of all the sawdust. See, that's jammed in there. That's why it's not moving. How did that happen? And now for some degreaser. As you can see, there's quite a bit of dust built up inside. Okay, so what we'll do now is we'll just refit this. So we've just got to make sure that this pin here goes into this hole on the bar. Then that way everything will be lined up. And then what happens is if you want to tighten or loosen your chain, you just turn that little screw there, and that in turn turns this little threaded rod here. And then the pin's attached to that, and then that pushes the bar either in or out, depending whether you want to tighten or loosen the bar or the chain. So that's the pin, that's the hole. Just line that up. Okay, we'll see if we can get it started, and we'll check the chain. And what I'm doing now is I'm releasing the chain brake, and as you can see, the chain is now moving. Okay, let's put it to the test. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.